Heyo, I have found my camera charger, and so I thought now would be a good time to show all of you what is in my fridge. Okay, well, it's not actually my fridge, it's the house fridge. And I haven't opened it, so I don't really know what's in there. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of leftovers and things, but let's open it and find out. Okay, what do we have? It's a pretty nice mess. Let's just start at the top. We got a lot of ketchup. I don't really know why we need this much ketchup, but we got a lot of it. Ow, ow. Oh, I just cut my finger on a ketchup bottle. Mustard. Oh, sriracha. Sriracha goes on anything. And by anything, I mean anything. We got some cheese. Lots of cheese. Look at all the cheese. Oh, and this one's open. Oh my god. Okay, I promise. Salad. Salad. Toss a salad. Toss salad. So, that's mostly everything up here. Oh, we got some sandwich meat. Oh, fuck. Sandwich meat. Oh, sandwich meat. Oh. What is this? Oh, you have tomatoes. Do you want some tomatoes? Okay, now we're getting into the leftovers. Leftovers are always exciting. Oh, this looks like some sloppy joe that we had like 2 weeks ago, probably. This is chili that we got yesterday. I don't really know what this is. Make of it what you will. Oh man, maybe some kind of pasta stuff that I think it's got mold on it. I'm not really sure. Definitely not edible. It should be thrown away. Oh, fruit. What do you call this stuff? I used to eat them in little cups when I was little. Fruit. I don't know what they're called. That fruit stuff. Right. You have some. Oh man, it looks like some French toast cake. French toast cake, is that a thing? I think that's what this is. Smells like French toast. Looks like soggy toast. Soggy cake, actually. Some bread. It's really hard. Hear that? Buns aren't supposed to sound like that. It's got a spoon in there. Oh, more salad. Got a little note. Salad. I don't know. Whatever. Oh, there's tinfoil stuck to them. These are some potato things. And then we have whipped cream. This is from the pie event that we have. We got a lot of whipped cream leftovers, so yep. And there you go. Now you know what is in my fridge, or the fridge. I hope you enjoyed the video. It wasn't too exciting, so I hope you will still like it. Anyway, subscribe to my videos and you'll see me next week. Peace out. Let me refocus. Refocusing.